Stop wasting time on weak arm workouts, because your arms will never look massive without powerful triceps. Your triceps make up 2/3 of your upper arm, driving every push, press, and lift in your daily life. Today, I will give you the 7 ultimate scientifically proven exercises. Watch until the end, and you will find the exact routine you need. Let's go. Let us skyrocket your arm growth with exercise 1, barbell overhead tricep. Sit tall on a flat bench. Grip the barbell with a narrow overhand grip and press it directly over your head. As you inhale, slowly lower the weight behind your head by bending only at your elbows. Keep your upper arms completely locked in place. Then exhale as you fire your triceps to drive the weight back up. This movement powerfully stretches and overloads the long head of your triceps, which is essential for building massive arm thickness. Beginner athletes, I highly recommend performing 2 sets of 8 repetitions. Experienced trainees should challenge themselves with 3 heavy sets of 12 repetitions to maximize deep muscle growth. Lay the foundation for thick arms with this absolute classic. Exercise 2, barbell skull crusher. Lie flat on your back on a bench and press a barbell straight up over your chest. Tilt your arms back slightly to keep constant tension, then inhale as you slowly lower the bar down towards your forehead. Keep your elbows tucked tightly, then explode upward as you exhale, squeezing the back of your arms at the top. This exercise violently engages all 3 heads of your triceps, creating incredible density and upper body pressing power. Beginners can start building strength with 3 sets of 10 controlled reps. Advanced lifters should target failure by executing 4 heavy sets of 12 reps. Trip away the weights and crush this intense bodyweight finisher. Exercise 3, decline pike push-up. Place your feet firmly on a bench, put your hands on the floor, and push your hips high into a V shape. Inhale as you lower your upper body diagonally, bringing your head slightly forward of your hands. Keep your elbows tucked at a 45-degree angle, then exhale powerfully as you push the floor away. This advanced movement forces your triceps and anterior shoulders to carry immense bodyweight pressure, drastically improving lockout strength and core stability. Beginners should aim for 2 sets of 8 clean repetitions. Experienced trainees can push their limits with 3 intense sets of 15 repetitions. Unleash raw stabilization by taking your training onto the ball. Exercise 4, lying single-arm dumbbell triceps on a stability ball. Rest your upper back on a stability ball. Drive your hips up into a bridge and hold 1 dumbbell high. Inhale deeply as you bend your elbow, lowering the weight slowly right past your ear. Keep your working shoulder completely still, then exhale while contracting your triceps to lock out at the top. This instability forces your core, glutes, and triceps to fire simultaneously, correcting arm imbalances while building functional athletic power. Beginners should master the balance using 2 sets of 10 light reps. Advanced athletes can progress to 3 sets of 15 controlled reps per arm. Lock in and isolate the peak contraction with pure precision. Exercise 5, standing dumbbell kickback. Stand with your knees soft. Hinge forward at your hips until your torso is parallel to the ground, and pin your elbows to your ribs. Inhale to prepare, then exhale as you extend your arms straight back, completely locking out your elbows. Hold that peak contraction for 1 second, then slowly lower the weights back to the starting position. This movement delivers an unmatched squeeze on the lateral head of your triceps, beautifully defining the backs of your arms. Beginners should perform 3 sets of 12 light, controlled reps. Experienced trainees will benefit from 4 sets of 15 heavily resisted repetitions. Melt away arm stubbornness using this deep dumbbell stretch variation. Exercise 6, lying dumbbell triceps extension. Lie back on an inclined bench, press 2 dumbbells up with a neutral grip, and stabilize your shoulders. Inhale as you slowly lower the weights down to the sides of your head, maintaining a fixed upper arm position throughout. Exhale forcefully as you drive the dumbbells back up, squeezing the muscles hard at the peak. This setup provides an incredible deep stretch under load, targeting the long head to build maximum arm width and structural integrity. For beginners, 3 sets of 12 reps will stimulate great progress. Advanced lifters can crush 4 sets of 15 heavy reps. Exercise 7, lying single-arm crossbody dumbbell triceps. Lie flat on a bench. Hold a dumbbell straight up in one hand and use your other hand to lock your active elbow in place. Inhale as you slowly lower the dumbbell across your chest toward your opposite shoulder. Keep the movement perfectly controlled. Then exhale as you fire your triceps to push the weight back to the sky. This cross-body angle targets the lateral and medial heads from a unique mechanical advantage, carving out impressive definition and balance across both arms. Beginners should start with 2 sets of 10 repetitions per arm. Advanced trainees can utilize this as a high-volume finisher, performing 3 sets of 12 repetitions per arm. If you are struggling to see progress, dealing with an injury, or have any questions about your technique, drop a comment below right now and let's solve it together. Hit that subscribe button and let me be your trusted partner on this journey to peak health. Go pick up those weights and let's get to work.